What's going on, guys? James Bill here, and today I'm going to share with you the fastest way to become a 6 or 7 figure earner online. Stay tuned. Okay, so you want to become a 6 or 7 figure earner online, guys. The number one way to do that, shall I say the fastest way to do that, is no excuses. You cannot have any excuses, guys, if you want to follow your dreams. If you have a vision that you want to follow to create success for yourself and your family, you cannot have any excuses, guys. Let me tell you a story, something that happened to me. True story. My truck was repossessed, okay? On the same day, my cell phone was cut off. My internet and cable was cut off, okay? My wife was out of town. Her car was here, but guess what? She had the keys with her. So I was basically stuck in the house, guys. Could not get on the internet, could not call anyone, could not go anywhere. You know, but I felt a little slight bit, down. I'm not going to say depressed. But the thing is, through my transformation and the transition that I have made through self-development and a positive mindset that I have now, that didn't bother me at all. You know what I'm saying? It did not bother me. Okay? So I could not grab my laptop and get on Facebook and social media, none of that stuff. But what I was able to do was grab my laptop, open up my notepad, and start writing, guys. Start writing. I wrote not one but 2 brand new ebooks that's going to get me a ton of leads to my business, okay? I pulled out my notepad and I wrote me a ton of content. I created a ton of content, guys. Okay? Was I somewhere worrying about getting my truck back? No, I know I'm going to get that back. And the only reason that's down is because I'm going through a transition where I'm thinking about getting rid of that anyway to start investing more into my business. Somebody, do you hear me? Okay? So I'm going to get that back. I'm not even worried about that. But what I'm trying to tell you here today, guys, is stay focused on your vision and don't let nothing or no excuses stop you from getting there. My name is James Bill, and I hope this content has been of value to you guys. Take it and run with it. God bless.